Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to make glowing text in Capcut. This process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is open your Capcut application and import your video in which you want to make text glowing. By tapping on this import icon and tap on your video and drag it to the timeline of Capcut and paste here. For making text glowing, first let's create caption of this video. In Capcut it's a really simple process. Tap on the option text which is on the left top and here you can see the option on the last number, and here you can see the option auto caption on the second last number. Tap on it. Here select your video language and tap on the option generate. Then this process will be started and it will take some time, but also it depends upon the length of your video. If the length of your video is much longer, then it will take more time than mine. Now the captions are generated. Let me play the video and you can see the caption. Here you can see the captions. Now let's make them glowing. The first thing is select your alt text like me and take a look on the right top. Here you can see the option caption and text. You have to select this text, and in the text window you will see 4 more options: basic, templates, bubble and effects. Select these effects. Now here are all the available effects. If you could not use this, because sometimes if you have not signed in your Google account in Capcut, then it will say you have to buy the premium subscription of Capcut. So make sure your account is logged in so you will not see this up. So you will not face any trouble. Now in the text you have to select the effect which is glowing effect. Like this one is also a glowing, and if I scroll down, this one is also a glowing effect. Here you can see few more like this and this. If you scroll down you will find more glowing effects, but I think this one is much better. So I will select this by tapping on it, and this will be applied on my all text. You can see this option apply to all. This is the selected one. If it's not, then first turn it on and choose your effect. Now let me play the video and have a final look of it. And you can see the glowing effect has been applied on my text. And if I play the video, here you can see it clearly. So it was the primary way by which you can make text glowing in Capcut.